How to analyze Shopify Analytics. To analyze Shopify Analytics effectively, start by accessing your Analytics dashboard inside your Shopify admin. It provides an overview of key metrics such as total sales, conversion rate, average order value, returning customer rate, and online store sessions. This is your first stop to understand how your store is performing in real time. Next, dive deeper into detailed reports such as sales reports, acquisition reports, and behavior reports. Sales reports help you see which products are performing best, while acquisition data shows where your visitors come from, like social media, search engines, or email campaigns. This helps you identify your strongest marketing channels and optimize accordingly. You can also use custom reports and filters to track specific trends over time. For example, you can analyze performance by location, product type, or traffic source. Many successful Shopify merchants use these insights to adjust pricing, improve ad targeting, and optimize product listings for better conversion rates. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to powerful analytics, real-time data tracking, and smart reporting tools that help you make informed business decisions with confidence.